Welcome back to the Nutritious Yogi Kitchen, where it's clean eating, always for the entire family. You have found part 3 of my 3-part series, Longevity Smoothies. So first up, we got all anti-inflammatory with our golden milk smoothie. Then we got to live to be 120 with our luscious green longevity shake. So if you didn't catch the other 2 videos, I linked them here in the description below. Okay, so now who's ready for some blueberry pie in a glass? One that also aids in brain health. In our house, we call these brain berries. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, or phytochemicals that provide multi-systemic support to the entire body. With potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, they support cardiovascular, metabolic, and neurological health. And my favorite of all, studies are looking at these beauties for their role in improving gut health and slowing down the aging process. Known for their plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds contain powerful lignans that are also high in fiber, minerals, and plant-based proteins. One of the best foods to consume for cardiovascular health and also amazing for shiny hair and glowing skin. Right, so let's build this shake. This is literally like a blueberry pie in a glass, y'all, so get ready. I have about a tablespoon here of almond butter. You can use any kind of nut butter you like. You could use cashew, I've used hazelnut, you could do pumpkin seed butter, hemp seed butter, anything you like for this. 1 tablespoon of ground up flax seeds for those beautiful omega-3 fats. 8 to 10 ounces of nut milk of choice. Today I used almond milk. Again, you could use any kind. 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, organic preferably. 1/2 of a banana, and 1 scoop of grass-fed whey protein powder. So I hope you'll make one or maybe all of those smoothies. Be sure to like and subscribe for more wellness in the kitchen, always using food as medicine first.